Hello students, today we will start structure of skeletal muscles. So we have discussed the types of muscles tissue, striated, that is skeletal, strip, striated, skeletal, voluntary, non-striated we have discussed, and cardiac muscles we all have discussed. Next, today we will study in detail structure of skeletal muscles. Before this, I would like to start what do you mean by the term myofibril. So what do you mean by myofibril? Myofibril जो है, it is a unit of striated muscle fiber. It is the unit of striated muscle fiber. Let's go through what is myofibril. Go through the diagram. Look student. This is a myofibril. Okay. Sarcolemma, that is plasma membrane of sarcomere. We will discuss T-tubule, sarcoplasmic reticulum, that is endoplasmic reticulum, and this is myofibrils. ये जो दिख रहे rod like structure, it is myofibrils. Okay. One more structure of myofibrils. This is myofibrils. तो जो स्ट्राइटेड मसल्स फाइबर होती हैं, स्ट्राइटेड मसल्स फाइबर इज कंपोज्ड ऑफ मैनी मायोफाइब्रिल. लेट मी राइट डाउन द हेडिंग हियर. Structure of skeletal muscle. So striated muscle fibers, we can say striated muscle fiber is composed of many myofibrils. डायग्राम में देखा था वो striated muscles fiber में कितने myofibrils थे. We have seen in the diagram. Okay, and myofibril is of two types. Myofibril के two types के होते हैं, that is actin filaments and myosin filaments. What are two types? Actin and myosin filaments. Okay, and myofilaments is repeated. These are myofilaments and they are repeated along length of myofibril in section called sarcomere. So myofibril मैंने बता दिया क्या है. Now next come to, अच्छा let me write. Myofilaments, they are repeated along length of myofibril in section called sarcomere. Okay, so sarcomere, contractile unit of muscles. In other words, it is a, this is nephron, is a functional unit of kidney, neuron, nervous system. So contractile unit of muscles. Sarcomere. What is sarcomere? It is a contractile unit of muscle, or you can say, or part of myofibril. Obviously, part of myofibril. Myofibril repeat along the length of myofibril in section called sarcomere between two successive Z lines. Z line we will discuss. Now come to the finally the structure. Myofibril, it is of two types. Now we have discussed primary, secondary. It is made up of myosin and it is made up of actin. In short, we can say myofibrils make muscle fibers, okay, and it makes muscles. And myofibril, this you know, there are two types, myofibril secondary, okay. And sarcomere, we have discussed what is myofibrils, what is sarcomere. Now come to the detailed structure, okay. So we will draw the sarcolemma. This is a sarcolemma. Sarcomere is surrounded by a sarcolemma. Let me write. Sarcolemma, it is a plasma membrane. Plasma membrane of sarcomere, okay. And inside this, and inside इसके अंदर क्या पाया जाता है? साइटोप्लाज्म, which is known as sarcoplasm. Sarcoplasm, that is cytoplasm. ठीक है. सार्कोलेमा प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन होता है एंड सार्कोप्लाज्म मीन्स साइटोप्लाज्म ऑफ sarcomere. It is a structure of skeletal muscles fiber. Okay. Now next we will next is what? Z line. This is a Z line, okay. This is Z line. And the distance between two Z line is a sarcomere. Distance between two Z line is a sarcomere, okay. Next come to actin. Actin myosin we have discussed, okay. Let me draw the actin. This is actin. And here it is. So let me draw. Next is myosin. This is myosin. Okay. It is myosin. Now, and this is I band. This actin is myoband. And complete myosin is A band. This is A. ये पूरा myosin, this whole myosin, this complete myosin is A band. A band, whole myosin. You can say complete myosin. But you can see यहाँ पे ओवरलैप हो रहा है एक्टिन से, ठीक है। तो ये जो ओवरलैप पोर्शन नहीं हो रहा, ओनली एक्टिन पोर्शन, ओनली मायोसिन पोर्शन। अब ये छोड़ दो, ये पोर्शन छोड़ दो, लीव दिस पोर्शन एंड लीव दिस पोर्शन। ये जो ओवरलैप हो रहा है एक्टिन के साइड, तो रिमेनिंग पार्ट, ओनली मायोसिन पार्ट इज नोन एज एच बैंड। तो ये जाएगा यहाँ से this H band, only myosin. And this whole band is Z band. ये पूरा जो है यहाँ से यहाँ तक Z band है, and I band is still here. And in center is M line. This is M line. What is? It is made up of skeleton protein, act as connecting link. You can write act as M line, act as connecting link, and it is made up of skeletal protein. One more thing, this is in foldings. It is T-tubulin. T-tubulin. And here it is nucleus. And H band is also known as Hansen's line. Hansen's line. And it is T-tubulin. And one more thing. And what else is remaining? Yes, sarcoplasmic reticulum. I am drawing only here. It is present everybody. Endoplasmic reticulum. And this is sarcoplasmic reticulum. Sarcoplasmic reticulum, or you can say endoplasmic reticulum. Sarcomere में आ गया, that's why sarcoplasmic reticulum is a reservoir of calcium. So the structure of skeletal muscles, it is a long and branch structure. You can write long and branch. And what else we have studied. This is a notes, muscle fiber, advanced radical, multinucleate, light band, dark band. So this is the structure about this. And one more thing, okay, I will tell later. So student, this is about the structure of skeletal muscles fiber.